Expect success with these email marketing tips. Marketing your business takes determination, inspiration, and knowledge. Step 1 to creating an effective email marketing campaign will be gathering information, and this video is a great place to start. Read on for the best tips and tricks which industry leaders are currently using effectively in their own campaigns, leading to great success. If you run out of ideas for your email marketing campaign, try allowing your customers to assist you. Do things like write down questions that you receive from customers. Then when you go to send the next email, you have a topic. Make sure to include the customer's name for credit too. Data mine your email list and bucket your audience into various segments based off of any profiling data you have. This will allow you to be more strategic with your messaging and effectively increase your chances of higher open and click-through rates. Even if you don't have profiling, look to geo-targeting. Various regions respond differently to different types of messaging. Remember that the purpose of email marketing is ultimately to sell your products. Every email that is sent should entice the readers to want to buy a product or service. This can be accomplished by writing an email filled with information regarding new product offers, old product offers, or special deals that are available to them. Consider using text emails instead of graphically intense HTML emails for your campaign. You may be thinking that the graphics will engage your reader more, but it's usually not the case. Many people today have trained themselves to delete emails with lots of imagery, assuming they are spam. As well, those images often trigger spam filters, meaning your message is never received by some people on your email list. To avoid complications resulting from being identified as a spammer, notify your ISP of your email marketing intentions in advance. If any unhappy reader ever reports you, this will give your ISP the heads up that your marketing efforts are legitimate. Your ISP may also be able to suggest an upgraded account that eases your email marketing operations. Now that you know what the experts are doing to create email marketing campaigns which are helping them to reach their goals, you're ready to engage in your own projects for your online presence. Whether you want to boost your social media accounts or your storefront, all dreams will be achievable now that you know what you're doing. Now that you got a clear knowledge about email marketing, are you ready to start? Please don't start without my full free training on email marketing. I will offer you a full $97 training for free just to make sure you succeed. Say thank you by subscribing to my channel and by liking this video. Click the link in the description to access my free full training on email marketing.